Good morning, children. Let me take a new lesson from physics, that is sound. From the earlier classes, you would have studied about sound. Sound is a form of energy. Light, sound, this and all what? Light, sound and heat and all, they are the form of energy. Sound is a form of energy. So everybody knows sound, how sound is produced. When you are vibrating an object, it produces a sound. Unless it vibrates, we cannot get the sound. We can hear the sound because of vibration. Vibration, just you are taking a plate and you are striking over the plate by string, by a stick or else something else, it produces sound. So vibration is producing the sound. Due to vibration only sound is produced. Sound is produced by vibration. Though it is produced anywhere else, suppose if your friend calls you, you can identify the friend, you can hear the friend's voice as well as you can identify who is calling without seeing him. Without seeing, we can find out. All யாருன்னு பார்க்காமே இந்த friend தான் நம்மளை கூப்பிடுறாங்கன்னு சொல்கிறோம். This is because sound travels. And moreover, there is a pitch for each and everyone. Based on the pitch only, we can identify the person, we can identify the sound without seeing the person. So pitch is one of the quality of sound. Okay, so sound is produced by vibration. The sound, it travels through material medium only. It does not travel in vacuum. Vacuum means what? Empty place. It does not travel in vacuum. It needs a material medium to propagate. Medium. The medium may be the proper source. Either it may be solid, liquid or gas. So sound can travel through any material medium. So what are the points we come across? That is, the sound is produced by vibration. The sound can travel any other medium, either liquid, solid or gas. Sound cannot travel in empty place. Sound is very important to us. It is vacant place. Okay. Shall we go to the lesson now? Take page number 60. That is already I said. Only certain things only we have to take. Not all as per the government syllabus. As per that I have to take 6.1. What are the portions covered? 6.1 I have to take. In this all the activity I should come across. And 6.2 propagation of sound. And 6.3 that sound produce the waves. The waves are known as what? Sound waves. And 6.31 characteristics of the wave motion. 6.32 the types of mechanical wave, transverse wave and longitudinal waves. And 6.5 musical instruments. That's all. I have to take only these settings only. 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, then 6.31, 32 and 6.5. Others portions and are omitted as per the government syllabus. Now we'll go for the lesson, production of sound. How the sound is produced? Because of vibration. We can find out, we can prove by an experiment also. What is vibration? Vibration means a kind of rapid to and fro motion of a particle. The particle moves to and fro by going by right side. From the right side again it comes to the left side. So like that traveling, while traveling they are vibrating. Vibrating means what? அதிர்வடையும்னு சொல்லுவாங்க பாருங்க. அதிரும், அந்த place அதிரும். Sometimes mobiles also we keep in vibration. So vibration, you know the meaning of vibration, what it is. This to and fro motion of the particle causes the vibration. Vibration is some making of the position, that is rest position lenda koncha move agum. This is known as what? Vibration. So sound is produced by vibration only. So we can make any example. In the activity 1, you are taking empty matchbox. Empty matchbox and you are just trying, you are covering the empty matchbox with a rubber band. So what you have to take? You have to take an empty matchbox. For example, this is the box. You have to wrap the box with a rubber band. After wrapping the box, the rubber bands are there. No, you are striking the rubber band with your finger. They produce some sound. produce feeble sound. Feeble means what? Very weak sound. ஸோ நீங்கள் ரப்பர் பேண்டை போட்டு அப்படி இது பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆகுதுன்னு சொன்னால் சவுண்ட் ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகுது. அந்த சவுண்ட் இஸ் ஆடியபிள். We can hear the sound, but it's very feeble, very low. So when you stop vibrating, striking the rubber band, we cannot hear the sound. So whenever you are striking the rubber band, you can hear the sound. When you stop, the sound also stopped. From that we know this is sound is produced by vibration. Vibration, you are making an extra. If you are striking of the rubber band, no, that is known as what? Vibration. அப்படி நம்ம இருக்கும்போது என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா it makes the matchbox to rotate, produce sound. This is known as vibration. The first activity, we are taking an empty matchbox and wrap with the rubber band. You have to plug the rubber band that is striking off. Plug means what? கையில் சுண்டி எடுத்தீங்கன்னா it will produce the sound. This is known as what? Vibration. So when you stop the plugging, there should be no sound for us. So this one, solid. Next one, we are taking a metal plate. So we should hang the metal plate in some other way, wherever possible. Then which is suitable to you, you can hang the metal plate. Anything, the cooker bottom vessel, like that you can take, and you should hang. There should be a hole in between. See the thing here, in the thing there is a hole. We are holding the box, metal plate or metal tray, whatever it may be. You are holding the metal tray in certain height which you can reach. Then after that you are taking a stick. You are taking a stick and vibrating it, and you are plucking it. We are making up the sound. So whenever you vibrate, it produces a sound. When you stop, there is no sound. So from all this experiment, that is activity 1 and activity 2, you know sound is produced by vibration. Here sound, in the first case we are taking matchbox. In the second case we are taking metal item, metal. Next one we are taking a plate. The first two activities we have proved that sound is produced by vibration. We have proved it. The second case, the third case, we are taking the same metal item only. That is plate you are taking. The plate you have to pour some water. After pouring the water, the edge is there, no, the corner. In the corner you have to strike with the spoon. That is metal plate you are taking. Round arco metal plate adu edukreenga. You have to pour the water in that little water. The water immediately as soon as you pour, it cannot be in one place. It spreads all over. It floats the entire plate. After that you are striking. So while you are striking, there is a vibration. We can hear the sound. At the same time, if you have seen the water is not stagnant. It will be vibrating. It will be making up the flow. இப்படி வாட்டர் என்ன சொல்லுவோம் உங்களுக்கு, அப்படி ஒரு பிளேஸ்லேருந்து இன்னொரு பிளேஸ்க்கு ஃப்ளோ ஆகிறது நமக்கு நல்லா தெரியும். இட்ஸ் மூவ். இந்த ரெயின் வாட்டர்லாம் போகும் பாருங்கள், லைக் தட் இட் மூவ்ஸ் லைக். So you see any movement the movement in the water surface. So from this we came to know the sound is produced when an object is set to vibrate. The sound produced by vibration is propagated from one place to another place. That is, from the edge only you are pouring the water. From the edge it comes to the top corner of the plate. So that shows its vibration. That water travels from one place to another place. When the water travels, the sound also travels from one place to another place. Because of that, the sound travels, it reaches our ear. Though a person calling from far off, we can hear the voice because the voice travels through the air and it reaches to our ears, then it is audible. Okay, so this is known as what? Sound. That is, sound is produced by vibration. It travels from one particle to another particle, that is the one source to other source. The propagation of sound. Next we have to say 6.1 is over. 6.1, we have just come to the thing. Sound is produced by vibration. And then what I said, it travels through material medium. It cannot travel in vacuum. And the other experiment we have to see. These things we are explaining. Okay. So we can hear because the sound, along with the sound, when the sound is vibrated, it travels from one part to another part. So it is audible. Now I said no, sound needs a material medium to propagate. Propagate means what? To produce, to hear. But here we can find out sound cannot travel through the vacuum. It needs either solid, liquid or gas. For that what you have to take? You have to take one bell jar. What are the things required for this activity? You have to take one bell jar and your mobile phone. First you are taking a mobile phone. You are on the mobile phone. Some music is produced in that. So keep the mobile phone down and close the mobile phone with the bell jar. That is, you are keeping the mobile phone on the table and you close the mobile phone with the bell jar. You are closed. So bell jars, mobile phone is inside the bell jar. Now because already you have started, no, before closing with mobile phone, bell jar, you have started the music. Even after closing with the bell jar also, the person can hear the music. That is the person who are outside can hear the music. Okay, children, can you follow? You are taking mobile phone, or mobile phone எடுக்கிறீங்க, music on பண்ணி விடுற mobile phone, then it's covered with the bell jar. So அப்போ கூட even இது cover பண்ணியிருந்தா கூட we can hear the musical sound because the sound travels here through the gas. There is no solid liquid. Gas inside, no other places, no place is empty. Every place is occupied by at least a little air. எந்த ஒரு பிளேஸுமே எம்டியாக இருக்காது. அட்லீஸ்ட் கொஞ்சமாவது எங்கே இருக்கும், அங்கே கொஞ்சமாவது ஏர் இருக்கும். Through the air only it travels. Then we said already it cannot travel through the vacuum. To prove that, what you have to take a vacuum cleaner and you have to clear all the air from the bell jar. இந்த உள்ளுக்குள்ளே இருக்க எல்லா காற்றையுமே எல்லா ஏரையுமே என்ன பண்ணுறோம், we are just letting out. Then after that, the mobile is in on condition only. மொபைல் என்ன இதில் இருக்குது, உங்களுக்கு ஆனில் தான் இருக்குது, மியூசிக் கேட்டுக்கிட்டு தான் இருக்குது. Then after you are using the vacuum cleaner and cleared all the gas from that, we could not hear the music sound. Why this is? This is because so far there is air, that is the gas, it is a material medium, sound, that music can be heard, sound propagate. Then after that, he removed all the air by using the vacuum pump. எல்லா ஏர் வெளியே எடுத்தப்படும், it becomes vacuum, that is empty place. Sound cannot travel through the vacuum, so it stops the music, we cannot hear it. Clear, children? From the 4 activity, we came to know sound is vibrated. Because of the vibration only the sound can be heard. It can travel through solid, liquid and gas. It cannot travel through vacuum. For that bell jar experiment. So sound travels very faster in solid, medium in liquid and very low in gas. Sound travel faster in solid. Average in liquid and very low in gas. This is known as what? Propagation of sound. Next we have to say sound waves. That we said already, by using the plate, the sound, water, we are pouring the water in that. The water pours from one direction to other direction. It produces the waves. The waves in which sound travels is known as sound waves. அதாவது சவுண்டு எந்த வேவ்ஸ் வழியாக போகுதோ அது என்ன சொல்லுவோம், சவுண்ட் வேவ்ஸ். For example, you throw the water in the pool in still water. Pool water means it is a surface where have little of water. அந்த குளம் குட்டைன்னு சொல்கிறோம் பாருங்கள், that is pond is pool water like that. So only little water stagnant in the hollow place. ஒரு ஹாலோவாக ஒரு பிளேஸ் இருக்குது, அங்கே என்ன இருக்கும், உங்களுக்கு லிட்டர் வாட்டர் ஸ்டாக்னன்ட் இன் தட். ஸ்டாக்னன்ட் ஸ்டில் அப்படியே அசைவில்லாமல் இப்படி நிற்குது. தென் ஆஃப்டர் தட் யூ ஹவ் டு த்ரோ எ ஸ்டோன் இன் த வாட்டர். வாட் ஹேப்பன்ஸ், வாட் வில் ஹேப்பன், அதுக்குள்ளே ஸ்டோன் போட்டிங்கன்னா என்ன ஆகும், இந்த வாட்டர் ஸ்ப்ளாஷஸ் அவுட். ஸ்ப்ளாஷஸ் மீன்ஸ் வாட், தெரிச்சு வெளியே வரும். ஓகே, ஃப்ரம் தட் we know water particles move away from a point of disturbance. Before that it was still, அது அப்படியே அமைதியாக தான் இருந்தது. நம்ம ஸ்டோன் போட்டதால் என்ன பண்ணிட்டோம், அதை டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணிட்டோம். பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் த டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ் water moves from here to there. The same like you can throw the sawdust. You cannot say, you cannot accept it. No, வாட்டர்லாம் மூவ் ஆகலை அப்படின்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா, you can you can put some water, put some grain or dust powder. Dust powder means what? இந்த மரத்தூள்லாம் இருக்குது பாருங்கள், அந்த மரத்தூளோ இல்லை கிரெயின், வாட் எவர் இட் மே பி, யூ த்ரோ த கிரெயின் ஆர் டஸ்ட் பவுடர், இட் மூவ்ஸ் அலாங் வித் த டைரக்ஷன் ஆஃப் வாட்டர். இங்கே நீங்கள் இந்த கார்னரில் போட்டது வாட்டர் எந்த சைடு போகுதோ அந்த சைட்லேயே அது கூட போகும். ஃப்ரம் தட் we know water travels. Sound travels in the form of wave. How the sound travels in the form of, sound is produced, it travels in the form of wave. Sound is, it's a form of energy. What is sound? It's a form of energy. There are 2 kinds of waves. Mechanical waves so the sound produced by some disturbances, it is known as what? Mechanical waves. It propagates in the medium due to repeated periodic motion of the particles from the mean position. The disturbance which is caused by the vibration on the particle passed over to the next particle. But this is mechanical waves. That is because of the disturbance, the particle moves from one side to other side by step, that is particle to particle. This is known as what? This kind of movement is known as mechanical waves. Then what are the characteristics of wave motion? Mechanical wave motion, all are same only. What are the characteristics? What are the characteristics of? What are the characteristics of wave motion? In wave motion, only the energy is transferred, not the particle. That is, energy only moves from one place to other place. That is not, particle is not transferred. They are just vibrating, that's all. The velocity of the wave motion is different from the velocity of the vibrating particle. அதாவது wave motion ஓட direction வேரியாக இருக்கும், vibrating particle ஓட direction வேரியாக இருக்கும். For the propagation of mechanical wave, the medium possesses the properties of inertia, elasticity, uniform density and minimum friction among the particle. The particle which flows, it should have some capacity, characteristics. What are the things? Inertia. Inertia means what? That should be in the rest. Then next one is elasticity. That is, it can be easily stretchable and contracts. Density should be uniform and minimum friction. These are the qualities of characteristics of wave, the particle. Okay. So mechanical wave, the medium must possess. So what are the medium? That is solid and liquid. It should have, possess means what? Possess inertia. What is inertia? Is a rest. Next one is elasticity. That is, easily it can be stretchable and contrast. And uniform density. It should have density that is uniform. And the last one is, there should be minimum friction. Minimum means what? At least கொஞ்சமாவது இது என்ன ஆகணும், உங்களுக்கு அதிர்வடையணும். These are the qualities of medium particle. Types of mechanical wave. There are two kinds of mechanical waves. One is transfer waves, other one is longitudinal wave. Sound waves is known as what? Mechanical wave. Two ways are transverse and mechanical. Transverse wave and mechanical wave. Transverse wave, what are the difference between transverse and mechanical? In a transverse wave, the particles of the medium vibrate in the direction which is perpendicular to the direction. That is, transverse wave, one is, it vibrates to the perpendicular. Parallel means straight line la pogum. Perpendicular means opposite side. For example, waves in the strings, light waves, etc. Transverse waves produce only solid and liquids. It can be produced only in solid and liquid. This is first one. It produces in solid and liquid. Okay, mechanical wave, it is quite opposite to that. It is a longitudinal wave. The particles of the medium vibrate in the direction which is parallel. This is perpendicular means this is parallel. And then it produces solid, liquid and gases. Then what are the things I have to take? Still 6.31. 3-2 is over. I have to take last one, musical instrument only. But let me recall all the points what all we have seen. Sound is a form of energy. It is produced by the vibration. And we said it does not travel in vacuum. It travels through the medium, solid, liquid and gas. The solid, it travels faster. The liquid, it is in the average. And the gas is very lowest. The sound vibration, sound waves is otherwise known as what? Mechanical waves. What are the characteristics of the particle which moves, I said? There are two kinds of waves, transfer and mechanical. And we said what are transverse wave and longitudinal waves, not mechanical, longitudinal. We said everything we have discussed. So remaining lesson I will complete in other class. Okay, thank you children.